Oatmeal vibes. Zucchini oatmeal vibes. This is horrible. Is this a weird angle? Anyways, I'm about to go swimming with my friend Hannah again today. And ate my oatmeal coffee. It also, oh, hi guys, welcome back to the video. I mean, what's up fellas, welcome back to the video. Taking you guys through another day in the life. Yesterday I got a DEXA scan. If you don't know what that is, it basically measures your body composition and your bone density. Yeah, basically I wanted to see, like, I haven't gotten a DEXA scan since like 2017. And I just kind of wanted to see if my bone density went up. I had good bone density in college, but I was curious to see if it had increased, just with like not running and everything, and obviously getting my period for the first time. And so I got it done, and my bone mass went up by 0.4 pounds, which I don't know if that's good. I don't know. I need to look it up. But basically my bone density is exactly the same. Which is good because it was normal before. I just kind of was curious to see how it was going to be impacted, but that just pretty much shows that I was healthy in college, so I guess that's why I haven't gotten a bone injury. Knocking on wood there, and I'm still healthy now. Also, of note, I put on 13 pounds of muscle in the past 2 years, which is kind of shocking considering I haven't done hardly any weight training, especially over the last like year. But that's kind of cool, and it's really hard to put on muscle, so, and that's really good for a triathlon just because I want a little bit more muscle on me. So yeah, that's basically the only things of note for that. It's a fun little time. Anyways, let's go swimming. We have arrived. Oh, it's sunny today. That means it's gonna be hot. Let's see how I can do this. Gonna warm up my shoulders. My shoulders have been so tight, probably because I don't use them. Nice! I've been lifting lately, and I am feeling the wrath. I'm just sore all over. Today we've got our first actual swim workout. This is the first swim workout I've done in over a year, probably. It's not a hard workout, it's just 5 minutes easy swimming. 6 by 20 strokes fist swimming, 20 strokes swim, and then 6 by 20 strokes fast/hard, 20 strokes easy, 10 minutes steady, just below race effort, and 5 minute easy cool down. All right, Hannah's arrived. Hannah, scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you for this workout?
10.
Me too. We're really fit in the pool. This isn't a pool, in the water. All right, guys, just finished swimming. Hannah.
The water was freezing.
Yeah, the water was freezing. We jumped in. It was a shock to the system. How was the workout?
It wasn't horrible. I'm definitely not in swim shape.
I think we both. Yeah, I think we both realized that today. So the 10 minutes steady race effort. First of all, I don't know what race effort means. I haven't raced a swim race in, I don't know, since 2006. But after the first minute, I was like, woof, my arms.
I have 1 speed, so there's that.
Guys, I hate to say it. It's 12:48. That means it's been 3 hours since I've gone swimming in the river, and I haven't showered yet. Because I went to coffee with my friend, and then I was just on a phone call, and it took a really long time, and I haven't showered, and I feel so gross. For lunch today, we're gonna be grubbing on some, oh my gosh, that's potent. That looks so gross. It's just this like Korean beef stir fry thing that I made. It's actually the meals from Green Chef, and I had half of it yesterday, and it's really good. So I'm excited to eat this. I have another phone call at 1:15, so I need to eat this quick and then take a shower. But I have to bike later too. Do I shower now? This is where we're at. I'm ashamed of myself. Okay. Bon appetit. I changed out of my swimsuit. I'm not gonna shower. I just decided. I changed into my swimsuit though, and there's kind of like scum in it. Okay, anyways, so this is my lunch. Okay, doesn't it look kind of fiery though? Yummy. Green Chef meal. Green Chef is the best. Not sponsored, just love Green Chef. Do I look cool yet? Okay, I'm about to go bike just for about an hour. It's not gonna be hard. It's just kind of like a, I don't know, change of tempo bike. It's, I don't know, I'm working on my cadence, working on my, I'm getting a little bit out of the saddle, just kind of like changing efforts a little bit in the middle of it. Nothing too hard, just an easy, it's gonna be an hour. Hopefully I'll get some footage maybe. It's about 3:30 p.m. Heat of the day, you know, I really like to torture myself like that. Starting to rain. This is really hard to do while you're biking. Gosh, I don't know how people do this. Feeling good. Bye. Just finished up. Okay, that was actually a super good ride. Like, I've been having, like, yesterday's run was really hard and, oh my gosh, my hair. Yesterday's run was really hard and my last bike ride was so bad. So I think I was due for a good bike ride. Man, maybe I should put my helmet back on. Let me give you guys the deets. I'm gonna get some water. I'm taking off my jersey. Ugh. I really need to shower. Okay, let's see what the deets were today on today's bike. I had a mini photo shoot. Here you go, as you guys can see. Let's sync the Garms. I need to get a new Garmin too. I am deciding whether or not to go to the gym tonight. I got a gym membership just because I want to get my strength back up. I'm feeling pretty weak these days. You know, I put on those 12 pounds of muscle, pure muscle. I rode 19.94 miles, so 20 miles, basically 19 miles an hour. The road that I rode on today was really flat, so not much elevation, 297 elevation gain, so not much elevation. Average heart rate 148, that's pretty standard for me. It's like just normal, easy base heart rate. Highest I got was like 158 or something, I don't know. Wasn't nothing that crazy. Anyways, pretty standard bike, felt really good. In terms of my training, basically I do 2 workouts a day most of the time. It's kind of rare when I do 1 workout a day these days. And my training volume, it's been like, I think this week is 11 hours. So it's pretty high compared to what I've done in the past, but not that high compared to, I'm sure, what I'm gonna be doing in the future. Yeah, I don't know, I feel really good though. I can't really complain. I mean, last week was kind of a tough week. I don't know, I was feeling kind of bad on my workouts, but this week it seems I've bounced back, so. Also, if any of this lingo is wrong, I apologize. I am learning triathlon as I go, so please bear with me. But yeah, so far I've really been enjoying it, and I am being coached by someone here in Portland, so I have training. And a bunch of people keep asking me if I'm training for a specific race, and right now it's all up in the air, obviously. Who knows if races are gonna happen. There was one I was aiming for in December, but I don't know if it's gonna happen, so I'm not gonna get my hopes up, and I'm just gonna keep training, like putting in base work and getting some workouts in. Next week I have a bike test, which I'll try and vlog. I'm a little nervous. That's the thing, is like I haven't, in terms of swimming, I haven't done a swim workout in so long, and I've never done open water workouts. So today was a little unusual, even though it wasn't really a workout. And on the bike, I've never done like hard bike workouts. So next week's bike test, I think it's 30 minutes time trial. It's gonna be hard. Yeah, I'll try to film it. You guys can see the carnage, but it'll be fun. In terms of gear, I have a Cervelo Soloist bike. It's from 2006 and it was a hand-me-down from my older sister, so it's really old, but the frame is still really good and it's in good condition, so it's like, I've spent a lot of money in the past couple weeks just doing a bike fit and getting it serviced and stuff. Honestly, I probably should have gotten a new bike instead of doing that, just because I'm gonna invest in a new bike anyways in the future, but that's what I'm riding on right now. Running mileage has been 20 miles a week now, I would say. So again, not super high, but for all the runners watching this, you guys are probably like, 20 miles, that's nothing. But when you're combining hours of biking and a little bit of swimming in there, you know, it adds up. The cardio adds up, but running has been slowly feeling better over time. I would say I'm getting a lot stronger on the bike. I'm definitely noticing progress there. Swimming, it's up in the air, I can't really tell. And running, it's getting a little better, but that one I have lots to compare to, so it's so different than like track training, so I don't really compare myself to my old self anyways, so it's fine. I'm rolling with the punches, you know? Wow, it is pouring rain now. It was not supposed to rain today, but I'm glad I went biking already. So today's Thursday, I uploaded my podcast and I did a ton of work this afternoon, so I kind of haven't really filmed that much, but I kind of just want to start more like daily vlogging type stuff and vlogging my training more so that's why I'm just kind of like, I'm gonna try to film as many days as I can. Tomorrow I'm going swimming with Colleen again, so I filmed it last week but I didn't end up filming the video, so maybe I'll just add the clip in to tomorrow's video, and yeah, that'll be exciting. Swimming, biking, running, Fitspos. I can tell my swimming muscles are starting to come back in. I'm gonna take a shower, maybe, or do I go to the gym, guys? Decisions. I think it depends on if my friends hit me up and they want to hang out tonight. TBD. Just gonna eat some dinner. It's like 5:30 right now, and it's just the run fast, cook fast, eat slow Thai quinoa salad. So good. I just have this in my fridge at all times these days. All right, I just got my answer. Am I going to the gym? Take a guess. No. My friend Maddie just called me. Some girlies are coming over to her place, and the guys that she lives with, also my friends. I'll bring the vlog. I'm gonna bring the vlog. You guys are gonna meet all my friends. But they're gonna watch the Lakers versus Trailblazers game. I'm gonna shower and then I'm gonna head over. Made myself a little protein shake to bring over to my friend's house. It just has a scoop of this MRM Nutrition Cinnamon Bun Veggie Elite Performance Protein. This is by far my favorite protein. You guys already know. I mean, if you watch anything on my channel, I swear by this stuff. And I started working with them last year after I'd already been using them for like a year in college. And I love the company. I love all of their products, so I can't recommend them enough. If you're looking for like a vegan protein, this is definitely by far my favorite of all time, or their salted caramel flavor. So just have a scoop of that, some almond milk, and then these are some frozen blueberries that are kind of like boba on the bottom. It's just like a little fun little protein drink to end the night, you know?
What do I need to do?
Nothing, I'm already filming, so. All right, I'm gonna introduce some of my friends. Here we go. Jeremy.
What's up?
Tell us a little bit about yourself.
I ran on the Oregon track team with Emma, and then moved to Portland, and we just randomly reconnected one weekend at Hood to Coast when a tire went flat.
There we go. And now we're BFFs.
Yeah, FSHU, let's go.
Matt?
Professional cyclist.
Professional cyclist.
Professional, yeah. Bummed about the tour being canceled, but training for next year, so that'll be fun.
Go Zags.
Go Zags.
Barry Smalls, nice to meet you. Just that idiot in the group that somehow makes everyone else laugh for no reason.
Do you want to introduce yourself to the vlog?
Kellen Manley.
Oh my god.
Introduce everybody.
What?
Introduce everybody.
Yeah. Be the.
This is Carissa. What's your last name?
What is my last name?
What is it? This is Sammy. Samuel J. Truax.
Yeah.
Some of you guys might know him as a Nick Simmons 5K champion.
Whoa! Also featured, were you in some of Ben Crawford's videos as well?
I've been in Ben Crawford's videos.
Whoa, you could say celeb right here.
I might be the celeb of the house right now.
Wow.
She's quick too. She's quick too. Okay. And then this is Gunner.
What's up?
Shadow Gunner.
Shadow Gunner. Ran at USF.
Okay, so far you got the best introduction for Sam.
He's a Beeve, Oregon State Beeve.
Oh.
He's an SF Don and a Washington State Cougar.
Whoa, that's a lot of mascots.
And a PCC Panther.
Oh yeah.
And that's Hannah in the back.
Hannah was already on this vlog earlier today.
And that's Jenny from the block.
Jenny. Okay, I just biked home, so I'm sweaty, and it was raining, so that's gonna be the end of the vlog today. It's like 10:30, so you guys met some of my friends. That's not all of them, but just a few of them. I'm sure that they're gonna be on the vlog more so. Maybe you recognize some of them, I don't know. I'm just gonna get ready for bed and hit the hay, wake up, rise and grind tomorrow, baby. That's what it's all about. Keep getting after it, fellas, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.